The great thing about having a home restaurant like this is that investing in my business is also investing in my home. I'm Eddie Shepherd and I run the Walled Gardens Underground Restaurant in Manchester. One of the things that I love about cooking is the creative side of it. I really like taking the skills and the disciplines that I've learned as a chef and then being able to apply them and make something unusual and unique and a bit inventive. Cooking isn't just my job, but it's my passion and my hobby as well. So I more or less live in this kitchen, and it's really important that it's a really pleasant place to spend time for me. As my business developed and the demand became higher and the waiting list got longer, I thought now's a really good time to invest in the kitchen and create my perfect kitchen to work out of. So I worked with the designer at Wren to make a space that had as much workspace as I could have, really great storage space, so I can operate like a professional kitchen but out of a beautifully designed space. The kitchen isn't actually a huge space, but working with Wren I was able to design something that really means I can make the most of the space that I've got. Cooking professionally, it's really important to me to have nice clear workspaces and a nice natural workflow, so I can move from my big prep area here straight into my Neff ovens right next to them. And for my guests that have come to eat, the kitchen is completely open. They can see me plating up the food, finishing off dishes, and watch me cook before I bring the food out to them to eat. I worked with one Wren kitchen designer all the way through who really understood my unique needs for the kitchen and was able to give me advice on how to best get what I needed in the space. In the Wren showroom, one of the things we saw was this beautiful cupboard that I used to store my ingredients, but it also makes for a really nice display of them. I really like the sort of darker, slightly industrial look for the kitchen, but it's still got these nice design points like little copper highlights, and it matches with my copper cookware. It's been so great to be cooking in my new kitchen. It's made things so much easier and really allowed me to push the food forward, and it's just such a beautiful space to work in.